Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Cardano. If you like these kind of updates, you guys know what to do. Come join the Crypto ZX army. But now let's get right into it. If we're looking at the price of Cardano right now, currently sitting at 38.4 cents, up 0.4% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're down about 1% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, currently sitting at $13.5 billion, with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $262.9 million. So right off the bat, that the overall volume that we're seeing coming in Cardano has decreased a little bit over the past days if we're comparing it to the previous days, but that's nothing to worry about because I do see that number actually increasing on its own organically. But now let's shift our focus to the price and see what's happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. As always, nothing on this channel is financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So I want to share something very interesting with you guys for the Cardano community. As you guys can see, we did wick below this level of support, which is at the 39.6 cents mark for the price of Cardano. Obviously, when Bitcoin has seen a little bit of a volatility within its price, but what we're seeing happen right now for Cardano is exactly what we want Cardano to be doing right now. So you guys can see Cardano has been trying its best to break out of this level of resistance, which is a massive level of resistance, which is at the 39.59 cents mark. You guys can see we've tried to break out of here 2 to 3 different times, and as of now, we're unable to close above here. And the main reason as to why Cardano is having a hard time closing above here is, number one, BTC dominance is still quite high, and Bitcoin is still going just sideways, and you guys can see sometimes it goes up down. So basically what I'm trying to say is there's a massive fight between the bulls and the bears within the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement support line. So that is obviously impacting Cardano to also do something similar. You guys can see retest that level of resistance a few times, but we're unable to close above here. If we look at the hourly time frame, you guys can see we can get a better understanding as to what really is happening on the hourly. You guys can see we've been trying to break out of here, but we're having a hard time, and obviously not having enough buying pressure is also one of the major factors that we do need to keep in mind when we are examining this chart right now. But with that said, if Bitcoin starts heading back towards this massive level of resistance at that $28,700 mark, I am expecting BTC dominance to also increase, but obviously altcoins are going to be impacted in a positive way in USD comparative. So I would not be surprised if Cardano makes its way back up to that level of resistance, which is still a move of about, if I do bring out the measuring tool for you guys, if we measure it from the current price levels, we're only about 3% away, guys. That's not a massive move for us to get past. So nothing to be too worried about. As I've said to you guys before too, Cardano has showed us its strength to us this year. And if we're looking at this beautiful chart since the beginning of the year, guys, you guys can look at what we're seeing happening right now. So this is something that you do not want to underestimate. You can see we created a higher high and a higher low, higher high, and we could even potentially go down to that 35 cents, and we'll still be in this upward trajectory that we're seeing happen. And this is on the daily time frame. So exactly what we want to be seeing in a bull market is what we're seeing happening right now. Remember, guys, I keep telling you guys this level of resistance is extremely important, because it's not just a small level of resistance, because if we date back, this was where the bull run really started, and obviously we're at the beginning of the bull run this time around, and we are facing that huge level of resistance right now. And I really want Cardano to break that, and we could be headed to some crazy price levels that we have not seen since last year. Obviously, I've mentioned to you guys before, we did create a new yearly high, which was a beautiful thing to see. Next target would be that 52 cents mark. If we cleared that, maybe a little bit choppiness around the 61.8 cents mark, but mainly we'll be focusing on the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level resistance, which is at 70 cents mark. So if you believe in Cardano's vision and you see that ecosystem growth, you want to be part of this, you think Cardano is going to be way higher in this upcoming bull run, as we get into the later stages, and you want to be picking it up now rather than picking it up when it has pumped up. And this is my current analysis on Cardano, but obviously I'll keep you guys updated if anything were to happen. Let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Cardano going. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.